Hi. So, hello, we'll be discussing with program 10 today. And program 10, again, we are going to perform it on Tableau. So, back to Tableau again. So, let's see what's program 10. Analysis of GDP dataset. So, again, like previous ninth program, it's like there are certain uh, parts of it. So, we'll see to it one by one. So first one is visualize the country's data given in the dataset with respect to latitude and longitude along with country name using symbol maps. So here we'll be creating map. So for that, go to Tableau, Microsoft Excel, and choose the file, GDP file. Okay, so my GDP file is a text file. So here, world GDP data, open it. So just go to sheet 1. So this thing has some error. F1, F2, F3 it is showing. So let us fix it. So go here. Rename. Don't rename here. Text file. Field names are in first row. Click on this thing. So here, yeah, you can see now it is changed 1980. Everything. So if it is like this, just go to the data source and click on this triangle shape thing. Click on field names as first rows. So the first part was creating a map. So click on map. Okay, yeah. Click on country name and drag it to columns. Then click on map. So you can see the map. And then for colors, you're going to put country name to colors. Here. See now it is colorful. Let me enlarge it. So this was the first part. That's it. See, when you drag country name here and you drag the country name to colors, itself latitude and longitude gets generated. So here you can see different countries, colors, everything. So this was the first part. So now let's see what's the second part. Create a bar graph to show GDP of Belgium between 2006 to 2026. So let's go to sheet 2. Now, like here we have 1980, 2000, everything till 2024 we have. Okay, let's do it till 2024. If you have the data set till 2026, you can do it till 2026. So for that, drag measured name to filters, and here you can choose 2006 it was. So let me choose none, and then 2006 to 2026. So long way to go. Just tick whichever you want. No, just tick on it. Tick everything. So I have till 2024, so I'll take till 24. Then click on apply. Okay, so you can see here filters, this thing came. So the name was of Belgium, right? So to compare Belgium. So now drag country name to filters and here just choose Belgium. So I'll search and choose Belgium. Apply and then OK. So now you're going to drag this thing, measured names and country names to column and measured value. So here down if you go, you'll get measured value to rows. So you can see the graph is formed and this 1 minute measured values if you put color to it. Yeah, or else we'll put color to measure names. You'll get more colorful. So measure names according to different years you'll get different colors. So you can see Belgium. Everything is Belgium only here because the constraint was given as Belgium between 2006 to 2026. So you'll get a graph. One it is up, one it is down. Like minus values, of course, it is down. So yeah, all of this. You can enlarge it. So this was the second part. So for third part, go to new sheet. Now we'll see what's the third part. Using a pie chart, visualize the GDP of India, Nepal, Romania, South Asia, Singapore by the year 2010. So now we'll just choose 2010, but the countries are different now. So we'll go here, country name to filter. Either way you can do, either country name first, measure name first, it doesn't matter. So first our India was there, India. Then I forgot Nepal. Nepal. Then we'll see what. Romania, South Asia, and Singapore. Romania, South Asia. Oh, my dataset doesn't contain South Asia, so I'll choose South Africa only. And then Singapore. Yeah. Click on apply and OK. And the measure names, what was it? 2010, right? So none, will just choose 2010 here. Tick and apply and click on OK. So now here what you're going to do is here you're going to choose a pie. So you can see pie chart. You go here, measure values to colors. Nothing will come, measure names only you should put. Or it's showing an error. So we chose 2010 and we chose this thing also. So now what you're going to do is drag country into color. Huh. So according to different countries, you got this thing. I mean that measure name and measure value you should not drag. You should drag country to colors. So here for this pie chart, you're not going to drag anything to column or rows. If you just select pie chart here, usually it will be line chart. So here you should do pie chart and then you should drag country name to the color you will get. The third part of your program. So let's see what's the fourth part. Visualize the countries Bhutan and Costa Rica competing in terms of GDP. So here they didn't give any, what do you say, year constraints. So you can choose all the years, I mean, everything in your data set, or if you want, you can, you know, make choose from certain year to certain year. It is up to you. But you should use countries Bhutan and Costa Rica. So we'll see that country to filters. Bhutan is here and Costa Rica. So apply and OK. So measure now for year. I'll choose like certain year. If you want, you can choose all the years. Like you don't have to do this part. Just track and measure names. I'll choose 2000. 3, 4, 5, 6, or 4, 5, 6. I'll choose 2004, 5, 6. Apply. OK. And same thing. Country name and measure names to columns and measure value to rows. So you'll see. Like since I chose 3, so it is small. So 2004 in Bhutan, in Costa Rica, you can compare accordingly. And then color will choose put measure names to color. You'll see the color. Like in 2004, this color you can see. For Bhutan, it was 6.900. Here it was 4.400. So this was the fourth part where you're comparing the GDPs of Bhutan and Costa Rica. If you want, you can choose like all the years, not a problem. It is up to you. Then fifth part is create a scatter plot of circle views of GDP of Mexico, Algeria, Fiji, Estonia from 2004 to 2004 to 2006. We took it back now. So we'll see Mexico, Algeria, Fiji, and Estonia. So new sheet. Again, country name to filters. Oh my god, what's happening? We'll choose measure name first. 2004 to 6. So choose 2004, 2005, 2006. Apply and okay. Country names. Okay. It was Mexico, Algeria. Here, Fiji, and the last one, Estonia. Good. Estonia. Apply and okay. So country name to columns, measure name to columns. And to rows, you're dragging measure value. So here, no, almost for everything you're dragging these things only, like same thing, except for the third part, which was the pie chart. And here they asked scatter plot or circle views. So for that, see, this is like bar chart. So here you can choose circle. You can choose circle, or if you want, you can choose any other thing also. Like they asked for circle, so choose circle itself. And then we'll add colors, measure name to color, so you'll get different colors. Let's increase the size of this thing little bit. Yeah, better. So this was the last part. For scatter plot they asked, so you're using a circle. So that's it. This was sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. If you want, you can change the name also here accordingly. What was it? GDP? GDP of different countries. Just apply. I'm not gonna write everything. So I'll just, yeah, you can change the names also according to your wish. So that was it for 10th program. Bye bye.